Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Anil Joshi. Welcomes you to my series Learn Radiology with Dr. Anil Joshi. Today's topic is based on radio physics, that also on ultrasound, and more in detail it is the application of Doppler effect. The ultrasound has got Doppler effect. Ultrasound Doppler effect is used. However, this is not the only place. It is used at many more places. We are going to see today all these things in short. Now, to start with are the disclosure, acknowledgement and disclaimers. Most of the material that is covered in this lecture are from our department. We are using it for many years, but some of it is borrowed from the net or downloaded from the net, which is royalty free. We acknowledge with thanks all of them from we have got this different type of material. Now let's get going to the topic, that is the application of the Doppler effect. Overall we are seeing today it has got application in medical sciences also, so also in other sciences also. So to that we should know first what is the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect occurs as a result of observer in motion, the source in motion, or when both are in motion. So what is the prerequisite? Doppler effect can only occur when there is relative movement between a source and an observer. When both are steady, no Doppler effect. Both are moving, yes, there can be Doppler effect. So this is most important thing which one has to keep in mind. Now in this lecture we are going to see many more applications, whether it has got only in medical sciences or it has got application in other faculties, other sciences or other places also. Now what is the Doppler effect? The Doppler effect is also called the Doppler shift. It's a change in wavelength of the frequency of a wave for a viewer who is moving relative to the source. So either a source or the observer has to move. The Doppler effect was named after 1842 Christian Doppler, who invented it. He was a physicist from Austria, and the Doppler phenomenon is named after him. Routine example given for this Doppler effect is a variation in the pitch of a train blowing its horn. It's coming from the distance, it approaches you, and after approaching it leaves you. So there is definitely you will appreciate a difference in the horn that train blows. It will change noticeably as it approaches you from the distance and goes away from you. At this point the frequency of horn received is high when you are standing at the station or waiting for the train, but it doesn't stop for you. Now let's go to the other common uses. What are the medical uses? Doppler can be used in moving objects like in blood vessels. Now doctors can use it for the cardiac applications when the valves are moving or the blood is flowing from it. But more important, it is also applied in all the vessels where at that point whether it can give you a velocity of the RBCs that are approaching, that we use a Doppler effect. One of the drawback of the Doppler effect or Doppler's phenomenon is it cannot give you a function of that area. Suppose you are using it for the cardiac purpose, it cannot give you an idea, but it does give you the effect, that is if there is stenosis or otherwise. Now by calculating the velocity of the blood flow in the veins or arteries by using the Doppler effect, vascular issues such as stenosis can be determined. You can determine the site of stenosis, you can note the severity of obstruction. All that things are covered in my other lectures. You can go to it by going to the website or by going to the YouTube channel. Now let's see the other implementation than medical sciences. The laser Doppler vibrometer is a non-contact equipment that is used to measure vibrations. So you can use to calculate vibrations by a laser Doppler vibratometer by not touching the vibrations or keeping away yourself or the machine from the vibrations. The LDV emits a laser beam that is direct to the surface of the interest, and as a result the frequency and the amplitude can be read from the Doppler effect of the laser beam frequency because of the movement on the surface. Here the machine is stationary and the waves produced are stationary. Now, where else they can be used? In flow meters. Now they can be used to measure the flows. The instrument have been developed such as acoustic Doppler velocimeter, that is called ADV, and the laser Doppler velocimeter, LDV. These are used to calculate the velocities in the fluid flow. Now ADV emits ultrasound acoustics and the LDV emits light beams. So there is a difference between these two. One emits ultrasound waves and another emits light beam. That calculates the Doppler shift in the wavelength of the reflection from the particles in motion with the flow to determine the velocity. Now the next application in audio. Less speaker is when combined with a loudspeaker, it projects the signal from the electric or electronic instrument, which is modified one. The sound by rotating, how it produces? It produces it by rotating the sound in a baffle chamber, which is called as drum, in front of the loudspeaker, which are often associated with and used alongside the famous Hammond organ. Now a similar effect is provided by rotating system of horn in front of the treble driver. This makes the sound move in a circle. The result are in rapid changes frequencies, and they appear like a rotating, but it is not the effect of the keyboard, but the effect is around the observer's ear. It is achieved by using a Doppler effect. There are radar system that uses a Doppler effect to calculate the velocities of the target object. A radar beam is shot at a target in a motion, for example a vehicle. Here the radiation or radar gun is stationary while the car or the vehicle is moving. The police use the radar to detect vehicles that are at high speed for the speed limits. Overspeeding. Now shooting this moving vehicle with the radar beam helps to accurately calculate the velocity of the vehicle and indicate how fast the vehicle is going. Here the vehicle is shot at a fraction of seconds. However, because of the Doppler effect, the machine knows what is the speed of that vehicle at that point. So that tells us at what speed the vehicle is moving. With the help of sonar, the military uses the Doppler effect to be able to determine the speed of the submarines. The sonar generates stable frequencies that will experience a Doppler effect when they come in contact with any object in motion or the submarines. These are the objects kept in the sea and they emit the waves. Now these waves, if find out any moving object, maybe a submarine, maybe a ship, then it will give back the information, and not only the information but whether it is going away or towards, it can also be known from that. The velocity in which the object in motion is receding or approaching the target can also be calculated with the help of Doppler effect. Now has it got any role in the aerospace navigation? Yes. As we had earlier discussed, radar use the Doppler effect. The aeronautical department uses it to calculate the speed of flying objects, for example drone, planes, jets, etc. They know it is coming towards them, away from them, at what speed it is approaching them. All that things are possible. Now astronomy is the study of the celestial bodies. Celestial bodies are those which are outside the earth, such as stars, planets, and phenomena that started out of the earth's atmosphere can be studied with the help of this effect. Now telescope can be used to see these stars and all that thing, but it has limitation. After certain distance it will give a blur image. However, this technique gives it a very good idea. Now interesting but not medical, but not concerned with the sound. The light waves The frequency determines the color we see. The higher frequencies of the light are at the blue end of the visible spectrum, and the lowest frequencies appear at the red end of the spectrum. If stars and galaxies are traveling away from us, the apparent frequency of the light they emit decreases and their color will move towards red end of the spectrum, and this is called as a red shifting. Now, Doppler effect can be used to calculate the speed of automobile. We have seen calculation or change of radio waves from the rotating satellites, for example, used to navigate a system. Navigation system is totally based on it, made beyond the earth, made beyond the sea, that is in navigations, but everywhere the principle used is the same. With that, we are coming to end of this lecture, but not before we take a message home that ultrasound, Doppler effect, then Doppler shift, all these things we have seen in this lecture. We have seen the applications of it in more spaces, more places than medical sciences. It has got, of course, a role in medical science, which is vastly covered in my other lectures. Do visit our website, do visit our YouTube channel, and you will find ample of information given on that. So make use of it for learning or educational purpose. Now, that can have also color shift. That is also a Doppler shift in colors, which tells us about the galaxies and universe. This lecture has been its usefulness in a special instrument. Now that we have seen that how a sound is modified and how a equipment makes a sound which we feel that it is rotating. It is speed gun is another application that can tell you what is the speed of automobile, what is the speed of vehicle, and police can take the proper action against the overspeeding. With that, we are coming to the end of this lecture. I thank you for giving me your valuable time. Please do visit our website for comprehensive details, lectures over this topic and also on many other topics. Thank you, goodbye, and take care.